Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn HTML, the foundation of every website. If you are complete beginner, don't worry, this video is just for you. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's not a programming language, it's markup language used to create web page. Everything you see on a website, text, image, link is built using HTML. Example, when you open a web page and see heading, paragraph or photo, HTML is behind all of it. Open VS Code or any code editor and show the basic structure. Explain each part quickly. First line, tell the browser it's a HTML5 document. Second line, is the root element. Third line, contain meta information like the page title, body. Contains all the content that show on the page. Heading H1 to H6 used to define heading. H1 is the largest and most important. H6 is the smallest. This is heading 1. H2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Paragraph used to define a paragraph of text. This is a simple paragraph of text. Wrap any block of text inside to make it a paragraph. Link, create a hyperlink to another page or website. Visit Google. Attribute to define the link destination. Yes. And image, display image. Yes, image is showing on this page. Alt means alternate test if image failed to load. Yeah, name is showing like 𝗲𝗃𝗦𝗰𝗁. Yes, name is showing. unordered list, apple, banana, orange, bullet point, unordered list. Order list, first, second, third. Order list, number list. This is the number list. A line break, BR, line break, double break, 2 times we can write double break, and break the line, move content to the next line, no closing tag. Horizontal line, insert a horizontal line like HR. This is the horizontal line. Use case separate section. If you found the helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment if you want part 2 where we will style the page using CSS. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.